Welcome 256 to Monday, week 12. We're diving into another test week. Remember to get these tests in early. I can do my best to give you some feedback. Sorry, my ear was getting pinched. I can do the best to give you some feedback, but remember these are tests, testing environment. It's fine if you guys reach out, work together. Like I said, plenty of platforms to collaborate on. Teams, WebEx, Google Hangouts. I thought I had one more. But yeah, if you guys want to hop in those, share your screens, work through them, a great place to do those. This week, I think we have the exploit test. Yeah, we have exploit test. Make sure to get an early start on that. Remember, not so much what you... I'm trying to grind in, the tools and methods. Or you say, you know what, how do I start looking at a web to see if there's vulnerabilities? That's basically what I'm trying to give you guys, a long run. The topics, as we kind of covered in the book, pretty easy to understand all the key topics in vulnerability assessment, and even penetration testing. Because, like I said, we're coming at this from from a red and blue angle, and then you can just say, we're just coming at this course through a purple angle, a purple lens, to get this done. But this week, exploit test. Make sure to get an early start on that. Once again, about midway through the week, I will give you some other tools. Metasploit's new. But I'll give you some other tools, and we'll kind of, open the spectrum of what you're getting familiar with. Once again, keep in mind what you want to do your portfolio on. If it was a lab we did previously in the first 8 weeks, great. If you want to do a presentation, a portfolio presentation on a test topic, that's great. Remember, just think about 5 slides, what you did, how you did it, what you liked about it, and then like a conclusion. And that should be 4 or 5 slides. And this will definitely help you, especially if you're having a hard time or you had a hard time with something, help you out with one of those interview type questions when you're trying to land employment. If you have any questions this week, reach out, Google Hangouts. You know what? I didn't tell 124 this. My 18-year-old, he's at a boot camp in Guernsey. They had a COVID outbreak. There's a good possibility that during the week I'll have to go get him. And that'll expose me to COVID. I'm working out a plan at work to stay remote for a quarantine period. But just so you guys are aware, I'll definitely keep you in the loop. What's going on if I get sick, if I don't get sick. Well, if I definitely don't get sick, you always see me every Monday. But if something goes on, and I'm unable to make a video or something, I will reach out to somebody and have them post a video on YouTube, and I'll just grab the link and put it up here. But I'll definitely keep you in the loop of what's going on. Because I don't know what will happen in the next couple of weeks, because we're at week 12. Yeah, it's only like 3 weeks left. Have a plan. Where's my calendar at? Let's see. Have a plan. We have this week and next week together. The 23rd to the 27th will be Thanksgiving week. Coming back on the 30th through the 4th of December. That would be our last full week together. And then, let's see, we have that Monday together, December the 7th, and December the 8th together. And that'll be winding down or that'll be ending the course, actually. Make sure that you go through the assignments, and you have all your assignments in, your writing assignments, your tests, your portfolio. I got to make that one. Your portfolio assignment, make sure to get that in. All those will be let's see, by Tuesday night they'll be graded. By Wednesday night they'll be entered in the eWolf. By Thursday morning, I believe, if nothing's changed still, the servers will replicate. I think like at 4 a.m. And then in eWolf that Thursday, you should see your grades that are going on your transcripts. So if you have any questions about that, if you have any outstanding work, get it in. Like I mentioned in 124, if you took any one of my classes, 120, 124, 132, 133, 213, 256, 212, you always have the chance to improve your grade. So go back, do those missing assignments, get that work in, and then walk out of this course with the grade you want. And if you turn in something, I give you feedback on it. Look at that feedback, make the correction, and then turn it in again. The grading doesn't happen immediately. Usually I try to get all the grading done at the time I'm grading the current week stuff. So if I go back in the grade book and I see a little orange dot saying I have something new, I usually click on it, expand it, and start grading it. With that, you guys have a good week. Stay safe, and I'll keep you updated.